there, right there, right there. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. You smoked her, dude. You smoked her. Dude, you smoked her. She ran into the woods. One. You ready?
Trigger one ready.
Where did she go?
I got her in the video. She's standing right there. She goes. I got her going down.
Dude, she went down, man.
I got it all on video. Other than a little bit.
So we're walking up to find my doe right now. What's it doing?
Walking up here, this hill. Brandon made a pretty good shot, 220 yards on a nice doe. Only ran about 20 yards and kicked the bucket. Come on! Where's the big grin, Brandon?
So we're looking for Darren's deer now. It threw down over here.
Which way did it run?
Right in there. Into the woods.
Goodness, somebody's swollen. Where is it?
Yeah, he's right there.
There is? We found blood now?
I might not have done as good a hit as I thought it did on her. He went through that barbed wire fence.
There's blood.
Hey, don't trample over it. We need to start tracking.
She was still kicking?
Yeah.
Take her. Boom! You got her?
Yep.
You smoked her?
She fell over before I shot. That's why I just finished her off.
No.
Right there, she is.
Where?
Right there.
I'm lost.
Right there. Right there behind the tree. She fell over before I put the finish round in her.
You're right.
Yeah. Well, let's see. It started out this morning. We saw, what was it? A couple deer out in the back. We ranged. It was 280 yards. They disappeared on us. Then it was about, oh, I don't know. It was 8:30 or 8 o'clock. Somewhere in that vicinity. Yeah. 3 deer come out, 2 doe and a fawn, and the sucker come out at 260 yards. Dropped the hammer on it. Kind of got a little bad shot on it. Ran a little ways, but we found it. But it was pretty cool. Got to do double deer.
Yeah.
Double with the cousin.
Deer
Mine-
go
Mine
Double first
was
cousins, huh?
about what, 220 you raised
Yeah,
it, something like
220.
that.
Yeah.
Just right behind us.
for smoked her in
Basically the
bump
same
out.
story. Shot her right through the vitals at 220 yards. She ran. She was a little bit behind us, ran down and died right behind me
Up in there
in the bush.
somewhere.
Whatever.
Hey,
And
good
here
deal. They
we
both
are.
actually they both look very much pretty close to the same
Yeah.
size, really. Both nice doe. Hey, good shooting, guys.